Hello guys. So in the previous video I discussed about encapsulation and abstraction. And in this video I'm going to cover polymorphism and inheritance. So coming to the definition of polymorphism, it is nothing but performing one task in many forms. And it contains two types. One is method overloading and another one is method overriding. So method overloading means it's nothing but writing multiple methods in the same class, having same method name but difference in the signature. If you can see here, I have taken one class called A, and in this I have taken two add methods with the same method name, and first add method is returning the integer type and the second method is returning the float type. So the first method is taking two integer input parameters and the second one is taking three float input parameters. So which means the method name is same but difference in the signatures. So which means the signatures are different. So which means one is taking two input integer parameters and the another method is taking three float parameters as an input. And this is about the method overloading. And coming to the method overriding, if a method is overridden in the child class which is already existed in the parent class, that is nothing but method overriding. So let's take another class, public class B, and let's take a simple method display. Let's say like parent class. Let's take another class which is going to inherit the parent class B, and it is going to override display method. It is already present in the parent class. So class. So let's put virtual. Yeah. So if I want to access this display method, then I just need to create an object. I'm just commenting this. I just need to create an object to the C class. And I need to call this method. And if I run this, so child class got printed. So what happened here is, so I've taken class B, it is a parent class, and I've created display method inside this parent class. And through this class C, I've inherited class B. So which means this class C becomes child class, and inside this class C, I've overridden that method display. And this statement also got overridden. So which means instead of parent class, this child class got executed, which means printed on the console window. And this is about method overriding. And the last one is inheritance. So inheritance is like, let's say like there is parent class and child class. If child class acquires all the properties and behavior of the parent class, then it is nothing but the inheritance. So inheritance contains single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple level inheritance, and hierarchy. So let us discuss each and every one with an example. So I'm removing all this for clear understanding. Okay. Let me do these lines as well. Okay. So single level means single parent class and single child class. So let's say like public class A, and there is another class called B, and this class inherits class A, then it is nothing but single level inheritance. So which means whatever the properties, whatever the methods are present in the class A, those can be accessed by the class B. So it is single level. And multi-level means this parent class will be inherited to another class, and the so this class B becomes a child class, and this class B acts as a parent class to the another class. So let's say like public class C, and that is going to inherit class B. So which means this class A is parent class to the class B, and this class B acts as a child class as well as acts as a parent class to the class C, so that whatever the properties and methods are present in the class A, those can be accessed by the class B, and all the properties and methods present in the class A and class B can be accessed by the class C. So this is about multi-level inheritance. And coming to the hierarchy. So hierarchical inheritance means single parent class and multiple child classes. So let's say like public class A, and there is a class B that is going to inherit class A. So till this point, it is single level inheritance. And let's assume that there is another class called C that is going to inherit the same class A. So which means this class A is a single parent class, and class B inheriting class A, and class C is also inheriting class A. So which means for the single parent class A, there are two child classes. One is class B and another one is class C. So whatever the properties and methods are present in the class A, so those can be accessed by both classes. Those are class B and class C. So this is all about hierarchy level inheritance. And coming to the last one, multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance means multiple parent class and single child class. So let's say like let's create again class A, and let's create another class B, and I'm creating third class, and I'm going to inherit class A comma class B at a time. So it is showing error because class C cannot have multiple base classes. So which means at a time a single child class cannot inherit multiple parent classes, because the compiler will get confused which classes has to access. So in C# or in Java, it is not possible to inherit multiple classes at a time, but it can be done using interface. So which means through a single class, we can inherit multiple interfaces. So let's say like, let's create one interface A and another interface called B. And I'm taking one class. And through this class, I'm inheriting interface A comma B. So now it is not showing any error. So which means through a class, we can inherit multiple interfaces, but we cannot inherit multiple classes. This is all about hoops concepts in C#. Thank you.